2067 part 2 technically, because it was a 3-box break and I decided to only do 2 of them. So now it is time to get that Bedard auto. All right. Rookie Samoskevich, Cooley Sordiff, photo driven of Burns for the Canes. Rainbow rookie for Buffalo of Johnson. Bolinski's for Florida Sunset. Rookie of Evans for Seattle, or rookies of Eriksson Ek. Pospisil. Miro Heiskanen, showmanship. Retro Tavares for the Maple Leafs. Cosmic number /65. Cole Perfetti. Perfetti for the Jets. We've got rookies of Condotas, Fozil Tompkins. Sweet selections, Luke Hughes for the Devils. Retro of Line A for the Jackets. And a marquee rookie liquid metal, Bobby McMahon. For the Maple Leafs. We've got a Desnoyers, Gutman McDonough, photo driven of Kachuk. Peltier for Calgary, and a Eklund /299. Violet Pixels, San Jose. We got rookies of Leo Carlson, Actel Robbins, photo driven of Timo Meier, Marchand retro for Boston. Liquid metal, Kyle Connor, $3.99. We've got rookies of Rosen, Afinasev, and Benson. Sorokin, showmanship for the Islanders. Retro of Draisaitl for the Oilers. And a Giroux, $2.99 for Ottawa. Giroux. Livingstone, Gushin, Casper. Sweet selections, Connor Bedard. McDavid retro for the Oilers. And for Ottawa, rookie of Cleveland. Ottawa rookie, Cleveland. Rookies of Delgazio, Kopanen Forster. Photo driven of Beniers. Rainbow retro rookie of Svozil for Columbus. And a rainbow base Kaprizov for Minnesota. Iorio Swaney Rusick. Showmanship for the Blues of Thomas. Rainbow of Tuck for Buffalo. Darlene Pink for Buffalo. Rookies Korchinski, Hunt, and Shea. Photo driven of Hughes for the Devils. Rainbow rookie Fantilli for the Jackets. And a Radish Sunset for the Hawks. Rookies McWard, Shilov's Bolduc. Sweet selections of Faber, Minnesota. Beniers Rainbow for Seattle. Sunset for Florida of Ekblad. Matthew Nyes Evangelista, Cleveland. Photo driven McAvoy for Boston. Zibanejad Rainbow for the Rangers. And a Gunther Pink for the Coyotes. There we go.